Many people call us, especially within 24 hours after they've gotten in an accident. And we want to give you some information to use before you get in an accident, because if it happens or when it happens, we want you to walk through some steps. Number one, if you get in a car accident, make sure you're safe. Make sure that you are in a position where you can get out of the car. If you need to call the ambulance or emergency or 911, do it right away, because that's the first step. Number two, if everybody is okay, get to a safe spot, start taking pictures of the intersection, where it happened, the damage to the cars, and take a picture of the other person's license. That is critical. Number two, communicate with the other person in the accident. Make sure that they're okay. If they're having issues, make sure that you've called 911. But exchange your information. Call the police, and then make sure that both of you are there when the filling of the police report happens. The insurance company is going to take a look at the police report. They're also going to take a statement of what happened during that accident from your perspective. Is it the same thing that happened from the other party? If they don't have insurance, it's going to be critical that the police officer writes down that they didn't have insurance at the time of the accident. All of these things are important to gather if you have the ability to do so. And lastly, if there's anybody that was a witness to the accident where there's significant damage, make sure you get their name and number and ask them if it would be okay for someone to reach out to them if there's a dispute in terms of the accident. With all that being said, the insurance company is going to take a look at the information. They're going to evaluate as to who was at fault, and then they're going to process the claim accordingly. Now, in terms of the amount that they pay on the claim, you may have to dispute that because their numbers may be different than yours. But in terms of the liability end of it, that's up for the court systems and for the insurance companies to work with the other party. For more information on claims, or if you have a problem, you can always reach out to Coaching Financial. We'll walk you through the details. Try and uncomplicate everything, because not every situation is the same.